Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, latest update from Accenture's and like in the last video I created was for pre-onboarding learning module emails they are sending to people. Who has got the documentation and profile creation emails. So now in that pre-onboarding learning email, now they are sending the connect, basically the meeting for the pre-onboarding learning connects for the learners. They are sending, as you can see, on 27th of September they are conducting this. Time you can see here is 10:30 to 11. This basically, the purpose of this meeting is to clear all your doubts regarding the pre-onboarding learning. You can ask them TFAs. They will take you through the complete guide, and take you through the dashboard. How will the modules look like, how you have to complete those, so that you don't face any issues. I would suggest that please you connect, attend this meeting, because you will be able to clear all your doubts. They will let you know a lot of points, a lot of information which maybe people don't know and you don't know. They will let you know about this. So yes, make sure you attend this. And then after that, this you have to do all your modules in 45 days you have to complete, and then you will have your TFA exam within next, I think, 1 week or so. So you will get it. So yes, this was an update, latest update. So yeah, do attend this. In case you have any doubt or query, let me know in the comment section or message me on Instagram. I would be happy to help you. So till then guys, have a great day, be safe.